I grew this lemon 4 feet underground here in Ohio. And you know what they say, when life gives you lemons. So good. Even the rind. A huge snowstorm, but it's nice and toasty here in the subterranean greenhouse. And I just got sent this really cool on-the-counter water filtration system that not only does cold water, but also does reverse osmosis hot water. So today we're going to use these lemons and some native mountain mint here to Ohio. And we are going to make some tea. So first I'll tell you a little bit about this filter. This filter is from Water Drop Filters. It's reverse osmosis. It's pretty cool. It's got a little basket that pulls out that you can fill with water. I already got it filled with water. And it's got a cold water function and a hot water function. And it fits really nice on your counter so you don't have to tap into the water lines and all that stuff. And it's portable, so I